A shopping mall owner has apologized for putting up a controversial sign banning construction workers from using its toilets and threatening to fine them $107 for unauthorized use. Stomper Xiaoyong alerted Stomp to a Facebook post by Martha Tara Lee, who took a photo of the sign at the new Marina One Center and posted it online on Friday, June 8. The sign read, "A penalty of $107, including of GST, will be imposed for non-compliance and unauthorized use of toilets at level 1 and 2. Please use toilets at basement 2. Thank you." Martha wrote that she was shocked when she saw this sign placed outside a toilet on the mall's first floor. Some netizens believed the sign to be a form of discrimination. Others believe that the management had a right to put up the sign for the sake of maintaining cleanliness, but say that the mall could have worded the sign better. In response to media queries from the Straits Times, the mall's owner, N+S, apologized for any concern the sign may have caused on Friday, June 8, explaining that it was industry practice to have designated toilets for workers at newly completed developments. They said, "This practice ensures that there isn't any confusion for those needing to use the toilets, who may think that contractors are there to fix an issue. It also keeps out any construction dust from these facilities, for the comfort of the users." N+S says the sign has been reworded, deleting the threat of a fine. The spokesman added that no worker has been fined so far, and that workers and contractors were earlier informed to use the designated toilets.